Hello, are we live? Oh, I don't like this at all. Let me open up YouTube. Let's see. Can anyone hear me? Let me get this up and going. Hello, can you hear me? Yeah, this is no bueno. What's up, Jat B? Altcoin Academy. Can you guys hear me? What's up, Shadow? Excuse me. Yeah, this thing is lagging big time. What's up, Jab B? Can you guys hear me? I am not on StreamYard today. I'm just using OBS, so... Nah, it's just a weather change here. Yeah, I'm not on OBS, or I'm on OBS, I'm not on StreamYard. What's up, Hector? Daiquiris. What's up, Slava? Hector. I said that already. Kevin. Give the dude some likes. Oh man, I can't even put you guys up on the screen with no StreamYard. I don't like this at all. But music's not too loud, is it? Yeah, I'm gonna have to keep switching over to the trading view and then back over to the chat. This is gonna be ridiculous. We hear you. Alright. Alright, someone just let me know about the music. Make sure it's not too loud. Slava, no, I did not get the money from the dude. It was all a lie. What can you do, though? You know what I mean? You said look at something, though. Oh, you can barely hear the music. Alright. Just let me know if I need to turn it up or not. He says jazz me. Yeah, jazz me's holding up well. Like, really well. Let's go over here to jazz me. Let's get rid of that. Oh damn, I thought it was going to the moon. We're on 1 minute chart. Yeah, it's gonna take me a minute to get used to this. But yeah, Jasmine doesn't look bad here. High to the low. Still over the 786, so you're good there. It's just simply stuck, red candle, wick. It looks good. Low to the high, you're over the 382, so as long as you're over 3.6 here, you're good. Jasmine's still bullish. I like that wick there. Just imagine if the market wouldn't have crashed. Jasmine would have kept going. But yeah, Jasmine does not look bad at all. Turbo, Coinbase tomorrow. Yeah, I could have been a young millionaire, but I doubt it. What's up, Fireman? NCT. Oh, then this thing's way back. Still looking at Bitcoin here. All right, I'm gonna pop the chat out so I don't keep looking at the delay. That way I can just see you guys chatting. And I know we're live, so I'll just X that out. All right, there we go. All right, Polyswarm. Yeah, Jasmine looks good. I'm gonna have to get StreamYard back as soon as I get some money. It was due today, but I don't have $50 to pay them to keep the StreamYard account. It is what it is. Yeah, Polyswarm here, like the rest of the market. You're trying to hold the 382, red candle spawned in, but ultimately you can clearly see the market structure still in play here. So it doesn't look bad, just a correction. If you get back over 2234 here, the 382, you're pretty much right at it. I mean, you're good here. Like we said last night on the stream, everything dipped down. What are you going to do? Yeah, low to the high, you're on the 382 here, also at 22. So I wouldn't worry about Polyswarm. It looks good here. Let me find a way to make this a little bit bigger on the chat so I can see it better. No, it just goes from, sunny, and then up here in the north it's like really cold. No humidity. I'm not used to that at all. Market is depressing. What's up, Het? But yeah, that guy didn't come through yesterday. Can Myro hit $5? XRP running news on R. Well, I don't know what that means. RL used approved. 49 says ASM and XCN. ASM. Yeah, ASM was bullish, and now the market had other plans for us. I would keep it simple. If you're holding, it's over the 382 at 2.8. Not too bad. I mean, the whole market looks the same. We had these red candles of death just spawn in on everything. Almost everything. But you're forming a wick here. There's still 5 days on this candle here. As long as you can get back above 348, you're in good shape here. Price to beat is 4.3. But it's just pretty much buy the dip, buy the red candles now. We're going to get a nice recovery off of this, so just be ready. And you can see even down to the 3.2, which you already wicked there, so I wouldn't sweat it too much on any of these coins. But yeah, now ASM give you a little better multiplier, 1272 at about 70 for a billion market cap for a 20x. But yeah, once the market reverses again, we'll have nice bounces on everything, and then all the influencers will come back and scream bull market again. 27% move, and then once we get through 4-3, 6.5 is next for about a 95% move. XCN. I think I just covered XCN this morning, didn't I? Yeah, and I gotta keep popping out the chat, so it's very annoying here. But XCN, it's just like the rest of the market. It's below the 236. It tried to stay bullish. You're on the 382, and this is what we're seeing a lot of. A lot of things are holding support. A lot of things look strong here. 382 at 2.1. As long as you hold that, you're still bullish short term. 2.6 is the price to beat. And the targets on XCN, of course, have not changed. 786 retracement to 5, 1.7 billion market cap for a 26x on that one. Slava, dang, I tried to click on it to show it on the screen. I can't do that on here. But Slava for 2, I appreciate that, my man. A little help to you. I appreciate that. We had bigger dips last cycle. What's up, Dennis? Before the market mooned. Yeah, just hold. I'm clicking on you guys' names to see what I can do. All I can do is pin the message or put user in timeout. What's up, Steven? Hope you have a good day too, Slava. Yeah, we got a stream on OBS. It sucks. And got to try to make some money today. From last night's stream, now I'm down 5K. He didn't send me my 5K. Steven says, I can't believe people are actually selling. The market is so emotional. Yeah, people bring their emotions into it all the time. Can Myro hit $5? Can Myro hit $5? Someone keeps commenting on the updates that the developers or the creator has stepped away from Myro. So I guess they're bearish on Myro. I don't know who that is that keeps doing that. Let's clean this up a little bit here. Myro to $5. But yeah, Myro's the same position here. We could pull this down. You're still holding the trend, even though you're dipping down. These will probably turn into wicks. And once you get over to the 236 at 9.5, you're good still. Good dip on Myro, though. Can Myro hit $5? I don't know about that. Our target is the 1.5 billion, 150, 160 here for almost a 13x. Well, no, that changes now that we dipped. 17.5x now on Myro. $5 on Myro. You can see we have 588 up here. It's a 65x. I guess, yeah, that would be a 5 billion market cap. Yeah. I guess if Myro's not dead, Myro can hit $5. 5 billion market cap. If all these other turbos and bonks and all these other meme coins and dogs are going to hit these ridiculous prices, then yeah. Myro to 5 billion. We got Tom B gifted 1 crypto undead membership. I appreciate that, my man. Who got it? You, Shadow? Did you get it? Will the market recover? Yeah, it'll recover. The market doesn't care about people. The market only cares about itself. SUKU and Swift. SUKU. Yeah, nothing wrong with SUKU here. It probably would have kept going if it wasn't for the market here. But low to the high, you were on the 236 at 10. And yet another one here. It's holding up bullish over the 382 at 9. So as long as you hold 9, we're good. And macro wise, as long as you're over the 236 at 8.3, bottom is in here. So once we recover here, we're going to see what's going to bounce hard. But 55% move to the 382 to get over the trend here. Let's pull this back to the weekly so we can see everything. But once you get over 14 and a half, 15 pennies, SUKU's in good shape at that point. And then SUKU up to the 786 retracement in the bull run, the bull market, 227 million market cap, 7.5x to about 70 cents here. And then your moonshot, 800 million market cap for about a 47.5x to 450. But yeah, I mean, didn't you say Swift? Yeah, the chat's different and a lot smaller on YouTube here, so you guys are gonna have to bear with me, I guess. What's up, Rex? What's up, Yoga? What's up, Hoshi? What is ELA? You just moved all your positions back into Bitcoin, SUKU, Boba, and XEN. Did you get shook out? What's up, Patrick? But yeah, Swift coin here's in a good spot. Even with the crash, it's holding up nicely. Holding over the previous high from way back there. And it's over the trend, sitting pretty here, ready to go up when the market reverses. But yeah, Swift coin, 86% move back up to the first resistance at 16. And then Swift coin, 20 cents for Swift coin, a 1.8 billion market cap from today is a 22.5x. I think that's a fair target for Swift coin. Let me see here. Yeah, what happened in the market is just normal. It's not the time to be selling. We went over this last night. If you have money, just buy the dips. Not financial advice. What did someone say? NCT to $1. You said ELA. Someone said ELA. I don't know what that is. Oh, Elastos. Yeah, same thing happening with Elastos here. Nothing to see here. We said that last night. Nothing to see. Everyone go home. There's nothing happening. Just a correction. And like the others, this one's probably going to get bought back up, hopefully, and hold the 382 and bullish over 267 here. But we're seeing the same thing on pretty much everything. If you hold that, Then you'll bounce back up to 314, 324. But I would say the only thing to do now is not get scared and shaken out. I mean, if you're holding, we got one red candle. Just hold what you got, buy the dip, and look for the highs. Last dose here to the new high, 327 million market cap, 5.5x to 1460. Or it's going to go up here to 32, 714 million market cap and do a 12x. I don't remember the target on Polyswarm. Polyswarm to $1. It could. 2.8 billion market cap. Moonshot 66x to $1.50. I don't remember the market cap it has right now. But yeah, Polyswarm's going to be a good one. Maybe it hits 75 cents. 1.4 billion market cap and does a 33x. Yeah, it's in a good spot. Yeah, I can't even see how many people we got in here. I can't, all the good numbers and stuff that are on. There's only 4 people in here. How many people are in here? Damn, that's unfortunate if we only have 4 people in here. Everyone's leaving. So yeah, what is Turbo doing? Uh, Happy 420 East. Did PNG's uptrend? I doubt it. I haven't seen anything that's broken structure. Everything looks good to me. You guys want me to turn the music up a little? Nah, there ain't nothing wrong with PNG at all. PNG's sitting pretty too, over the 1414 at 30. Simple back test, the market came down. As long as you're over 30, price to beat is 48. It looks extremely good here. Nothing wrong with Pangolin. uh, Hold on, I have to set up. I forgot about that. What's up, Charlie? For 2 says, could you look at Pock Pock Peg? Yeah, am I gonna have to look at that on Deck Screener, huh? Hold on, I'm on OBS Studio today. If you're just getting in here, we're gonna have to. I have to bring up another window. I have to build another window. I've been so used to StreamYard. This is like dinosaur technology here on OBS. Yeah, Fox is in a good spot. Fox low to the high. But yeah, it's worth paying the $50 a month for StreamYard because this is just ridiculous. Low to the high, yet another one. Red candle spawned in, and we're holding bullish over the 382 at 69. And simple, you can even say it's back testing. The market told it to back test. But as long as you're over that, you're good. When we reverse, you got to get over 83 to 87, and then your bullish macro, and you're good to go. And then over 14, you're real good. You'll break over the trend over the 0.5. But yeah, Fox, everything else, I mean, nothing looks bad at all. You want to buy more PNG, trying to get to 100K PNGs. Well, not financial advice, but we're seeing the good dips now, especially on PNG. It's in a real good spot. But he says peg. Let me pull. Yeah, I forgot how to do this. OBS for the win. What am I looking for? Window capture. Hold on, let me cancel that. Oh man, let's see here. I go over to YouTube. Well, let me see. Did we look up peg on here? Probably not. Let's see. Well, I guess we did. Okay, so we got it up here. If we just look at the daily chart, keep it simple, it's looking good. It's holding the 2272 support at 348 here. Perfectly on support. And then low to the high, double 3, or the 382 is also there. So another one, low, high, holding the 382. So just keep it that simple. As long as you're holding this 348 level, you're holding the 382, you're holding the double, the fibs here, the 2272. Any lower than that on POC here, it'll drop 10% down to about 313. But if you hold, this thing's going to bounce up probably, get a nice recovery. 15% move to pretty much $4 and then 460. But yeah, it looks good. It's holding support. Now I gotta go all the way over here and get the chat back out. I'm gonna have to make a poll. Man, I gotta get StreamYard back. This is ridiculous. And I've said that too many times already. Alright, pop out the chat. There we go. We got 27 people watching. Everyone hit the like button. We only got 16 likes. Let's help out the algorithm. Math. Damn, William. Math. Velo. SHX. A lot of people in my Discord thought the end of the world this morning. Yeah. Oh, we got Francisco back in the house. Did the 5K ever go through? No, it did not. It did not, my man. I don't know if you were serious about that or not, but it didn't go through. What's up, Cha? We went and matched up the addresses last night. It's my Exodus wallet. So it's the right address, but nothing ever went through. So I don't know if it's something on your end or you're just messing around. But if you're messing around, that wasn't very nice. How's DGen looking? What's up, Sandu? But yeah, Poc doesn't look bad. Everything's just kind of sitting on support, looking good here. But yeah, I already closed the page out. Oh no, I can do it right here. I'm gonna make a poll real quick, just to let people know. Don't ask for deck screener coins. because it's going to be too hard to pull up multiple windows on OBS here and keep up with the chat. How do you write? How do you type on here? Alright, now you guys can all see the poll. No deck screener coins. Can't find it on here. We're not doing it. Map and Stronghold. Oh yeah, he said turn the music up. Let's see here. Oh, it's on 1. There. Music is on 2 now. Might as well just shuffle the songs so it doesn't repeat the same one. Let me see if I put it on shuffle, see what's going to happen here. Stronghold. Alright. Getting a little faster at this, a little better. Just took me a minute to get back used to using OBS as streaming software. Oh, Stronghold looks good here. I didn't know Stronghold was holding up so well. Didn't I just cover this? Yeah, looks good. Nice looking candle here. Keep it simple. As long as you're over the 2272 at 9.1, this thing looks like it's about to push through the 2618 at 1.5. Yeah, you're over low to the high 236. So as long as you're over this area, you're good to go. And a potential spike up. There should be a 3 level on here. 3618 at 6.6. 4.5x, 360% move. Yeah, Stronghold looks nice here. What are we looking at? Alright, let me X this out now that I made the poll. What's going on here? Degen and Velo. What is the Mavia FUD being delisted on Binance Futures? I don't know. Alright, we'll see you in a little bit, Slava. But yeah, Stronghold looks strong there. Math. Nothing to see here. She's still just sitting here doing nothing. Dropping down with the rest of the market, giving you a chance to buy in. Let's see. But yeah, you're still over the 382. Doesn't look too bad. Just sitting below the 0.5 at 3.3. So if you get over 3.3 or hold here, you know, it's still holding structure. You're still over the 382. Once you get back over 40, you are bullish once again, and that'll push you up through 4.6 to 0.5. Big price to beat that we keep saying on math is the 618 at 7.7. Once you get through there, you're over the previous trend, and you're in a good spot. And then once you break this yellow line here, this previous high, if you do that with a wick when you get over, then that's very bullish, and it'll continue going up. But yeah, math is another good one. Math to the moon, new high 1272, $1.4 billion market cap for almost a 39x to 1275. And you can also see, if you can see through all the mess on the chart. Oh, let me get two hands on the keyboard here. You can clearly see nice double bottom with a higher low. So at some point, once you break through here, that's it. Math to the moon at that point. Yeah, you need to smash the like button. I only have 5,127 shares of Velo, and I needed to hit $1 so bad. Yeah, so what happened with the... You really a millionaire? Were you really trying to send me some money, or were you just false hope? These guys wanted to ban you last night. Degen, let's see what's going on. Yeah, I'm still holding my small peanut bag of Degen. Like I said last night, it was a little over 100 when it pumped up here, but now it's like at 60 bucks. But it's still holding good. I'm still holding on to my little bag. I needed to pump back up before I get out. I'm just gonna wait until a giant green candle spawns in, and then I'll get out. I was trying to turn it into 200, that way I can roll 200 over into something else and then just keep the ball rolling here. Try to get back in the market somehow, but low to the high, sitting on the 0.5 at 14.8 here. And pretty much just turn this into the same pattern here. Another bull flag pattern. So I am expecting a nice run out of this pattern once it finally gets going again. But potential 100% spike up, so that's all I need, a 2x out of here. But yeah, Degen doesn't look horrible. Yeah, I'm trying to remember what you guys are asking for here. Velo and Mavia. Is this Velo Labs? I think it is. Yeah, Velo doesn't look bad. This has a very good looking chart. Held the uptrend. It's just been kind of coiling up, curling up here. Recently, double bottom, or triple bottom rather. It looks good. Market came down, so we're back below the 382 at 2.5. Once you get back over 2.5, you're back to being bullish, but it didn't take too bad of a hit. Doesn't look bad at all, I would have to say. Yeah, you're over the 236, pretty much sitting on it perfectly here. Where it dipped down, it held support at 2.2, so it looks good. Holding up strong. And then this thing, I guess our two targets are here. That's not a bad move, but a 618 retracement, a 1.4 billion market cap to 19 is almost an 8x. With a good looking chart like this, that's almost a guaranteed 8x for you. And then Velo Labs, Velo Protocol, whatever this is, I think this is the right one. 81 cents on this thing, 6 billion market cap, 786 retracement, and a bull market. You're already over the 382. A 33x on this thing. Yeah, I like these two targets on Velo. Yeah, are we still live? Can you guys still hear me? Someone's gonna have to keep updating me because I think we're live. Yeah, why is the music not shuffling? Oh, okay. Yeah, someone type a 1 if we're still live. And you can hear everything good, the music's good, just someone type a 1. I don't want to sit here and talk to myself all day. Chat hasn't moved in like 5-6 minutes now. Let's see. What's up, Boxy? You can barely hear the music. Rockra says one, so we're good. It's clear to you. All right, all right, we're good. What's up, Elixio? Yeah, Suku's looking good. Nothing really has moved or changed. I mean, we moved down, but like Velo here, Velo looks good. Someone said Mavia, but yeah, we went over Suku a couple minutes ago. Just simply sitting here. It's still curled up, still looks good, still over the 236. So as long as you're over A3, there's nothing to worry about here. It's going to go back eventually up soon. Over 14.5, you're good. Low to the high. Yeah, you're still over the 382, so you're still bullish here, even though we went down. But like I said, the market will turn around. I don't know, Mavia. Futures are getting delisted. It's never good when you get delisted. Whoa. The market crashed and it got delisted. Dang. This thing took a hit. Wow. Still holding higher lows here, if that's something. Still holding the little uptrend. Let's see, did it hit 786 support? Oh yeah. That may have been the bottom for Mavia. I mean, it's not good they got delisted, but that's a bottom. You hit the trend and you hit the 786 here. Time to go up. Yeah, let's see what's going on with the music. It won't. The music. Always something, the music. Let's see here. I think I have to do this. Uh, yeah, I don't know how to do that. Oh, maybe this. Alright. Now it should play different songs. SUKU, but yeah, I mean, got in on the DGen dip. Nice. Yeah, she's holding up in another bull flag pattern. What's up, Yosef? Let's see. IOTA and XVG. Didn't you ask for those last night? I bet they haven't changed. Yeah, all you gotta do is go zoom out on the macro chart and nothing looks horrible. It looks completely normal here. You're over the 382 at 35, so nothing to worry about. 52 is the price to beat. And if we go low to the high, yeah, you're holding the 382 on the small, large and small. 3-1 up to 3-5, you're bullish. Once you get back over 4-1, that's going to send you back up to 5-2 to get back over the 0.5 here. But it looks good. Myota, this is the one we didn't have any market caps for, huh? So what's your price target for Myota? 18x up to 660, 1272 new high. I need to turn the music down on my headphones because I can't hear anything. Yeah, we just looked at Stronghold. It looks good. It started to pump while we were looking at it. Let's see. But yeah, I mean everything you guys want me to look at doesn't look bad. XVG. Oh, is that one coin still pumping? That Ancient 8. Yeah, looks like the same chart we just looked at. You're holding over support 0.5 at 1 penny. As long as you're over a penny, you're good. Penny and a half is the price to beat. So once we get a bounce and the market turns around, these things will start moving right back up. But overall macro structure is still pretty much good. Over the 0.5, low high 382. Looks like you hit with that wick perfectly. You hit the 382 at 9.6 and you're already bouncing. And then once you get back over 1.3, 1.6 is next, 1.7. And then once you get over the 6.18, that's your reversal point. So once we bounce here, it's going to bounce up 46-47%. But overall, good looking chart. New high on this one, 1272 at 2.6 is going to be a 23.5x. Not bad. CDT says Vara. PRQ. See, what is PRQ doing? Yeah, same thing. Market correction, and you're still holding support with a little wick forming. So as long as you're over 1.1, nice looking double bottom with a higher low. This thing's curled up like a lot of things. It looks like it's going to take off. As soon as the market turns around, all these with these bullish formations are going to just take off. Yeah, especially with the dip here back down to this level. Perfect buying opportunity in my opinion for PRQ. And then this one to the 786, 332 million market cap as a 9x. Not bad, up to $1.09. And then Moonshot, 2.5 billion, 69x to $8. Not bad. Math or Blender this cycle? Probably Math, because I really don't know anything about Blender. I know we looked at it, but I don't know anything about it. But Vara, let's look at Blender real quick. Blender is dying. Depends on where you can buy this thing at. Where can you buy it at? What does it do? Yeah, this one's down below the 236, so no longer, bottom is no longer confirmed. I think we went over that last night though. Low to the high. It appears to be coming down to the 618. 4.6. It could even come down to the 382, and it would still hold short-term structure here for a higher low. So we had a low here, a slightly higher low, and then another low. So as long as you're below the 236 and the 382, this thing could technically drop another 10% and 25%. But yeah, Vara got over the level I wanted it to, but the market had other plans, and now she is no longer over it. So until we get back up and establish over 3.1, 236 to confirm the bottom, we could come all the way back down, just because that's what Vara likes to do. But I mean, I do like the project. I like the overall thing. Layer 1. But right now, low to the high, you're holding the 382 at 2.7. So it is looking good and holding up here. We got Uncle for 2. I appreciate that. Blessings loaded up on ATH during the dip. Nice. Loading up instead of selling everything. That's the way to do it, my man. Did you catch the dip all the way down? Yeah, she dipped all the way back down to the 382. Yeah, this is a chart that hasn't done anything. It's been ranging forever. He loaded up. Low to the high. Yeah, double 382. And that was it. It's trying right now to get back over the 236 at 75. So this thing's in good shape. Good looking candle. And once you get over that 618, it's off. Off to the moon for this one. Yeah, what's your target for this one? 2272 at 70 cents, 72 cents. 9.5x on this one. 3 billion market cap. And then the new high on the chart we have here, which this thing hasn't even ran. 811 million to 20 and a half. About a 2.5x. FET is trying to bounce. Yeah, FET wasn't a good setup. Everything's about to bounce in my opinion. Well, not everything, but you get the idea. All these charts, even, yeah, see the FET chart here, this just looks extremely well. Nice little dip, but the overall structure looks extremely good. Low to the high, holding the 236 support. That's good. 168 here. Buy the dip, they say. What is Caspa doing? LCX. Yeah, not being on StreamYard, I can't even see. There's not even a tab here for. Why does YouTube not have a tab for like looking at who sent super chats? Or being able to pin comments on the screen? They need to up their game. But I appreciate the 2 from Uncle, FET there, LCX, Caspa. Everyone please hit the like button. At least we'll get that going for us. LCX. Yeah, nice looking wick on LCX here. And she had a strong run up. That was nice. Yeah, it came down, hit the 236 pretty much, and it held, and it's moving back up. You're at 3.3. Once you get back over 3.5, nothing to see here. It'll be like the dip. It never happened. And it did the same thing back here. Look. And then it dipped way down, and then it just kept going down. But it hit that previous high here perfectly. Slightly lower high, double top, lower high. LCX is going to do this all over again, all the way back down. Wouldn't that be something? I don't think so. If you get over 3.5, you're in good shape. Cetus. What is Cetus? Yeah, you guys don't forget to read the poll. I may have to add to the poll. Yeah, Cetus doesn't look bad. I mean, it was trying to curl up and be bullish, but then the market had other plans for it, so. And if we simply go low to the high, yeah, it had a nice move out of that pattern down there. Out of the continuation pattern. Yeah, you hit the 236 and you held perfectly here. 2.7. But once this thing gets going again, 700 million market cap, new high 1272 at 117, a 3.5x. But the overall chart doesn't look bad. And I don't know if we can look at Andy on ETH. Is it on here? We're not on Deck Screener today. Andy on Mexi. Someone said something, I didn't catch that. Cetus is the #1 DEX for Sui and Aptos. Is it really? Yeah, with everyone here asking for multiple coins, there's no way we're going to get to everyone's coins. At some point, I may have to add to the poll here. $2 super chats, or I'm not looking at your coin. All right, so you guys did answer the poll, so that's good to see. Appreciate that. But yeah, if that's true about that coin, Sui's gonna be big. So it may go way higher than we just said. Yeah, this one high to the low came right up to the high, got stuck. She's pulling back, so as long as you're over the 786 at 2.2 on Andy. Just the right Andy, huh? April. Yeah, I thought Andy was older. There may be an older chart, I don't know. But it's curled up here. It looks like it just wants to go straight up. But low to the high on Andy. Yeah, 786, 236 is in the same spot. So as long as you're above 2.2, you're bullish and you're good over the 786. Once you punch through 3.3, Andy to the moon. I don't know the market cap on this or where it's headed to, but I would imagine you need some sort of decent return on this, or why else will people be buying it and talking about it? Where's Andy going? To a penny? A penny would be a 50x, a penny and a half for a 50x on Andy. Cetus, yeah. Now that we have that, I gotta build some charts when I'm not on the live stream. What's up, Black Lotus? He says, Pinot, please. What is Pinot? We got Michael for 2, says, check DGen, please. I appreciate the 2, my man. Michael for the win. He's the only one listening. Michael and Uncle. I appreciate that, my man. But yeah, where's Andy going? Is it going to a penny? If it goes to a penny, you're getting a 50x. I don't even know. Is Andy? I'm out of the loop. Is Andy one of the boys club people? Andy, Pepe, Brett. Is that correct? But yeah, we looked at DGen earlier. I appreciate the 2. DGen, I'm still holding my small peanut bag. Waiting for my 2x. Looks good here. It's just simply another bull flag pattern. Just like we were screaming back here. Holding the pattern. We were over the 382. She's about to go. She went. Same thing here. We're holding the 0.5 low to the high. Yet again, a bull flag pattern has formed. Excuse me. So once this thing wakes up, we're looking for a decent move. You can see the macro 786 is 100% move there. That measurement 107%. It may go higher than that, which it probably will. But a good 2x out of here from where it is right now in price. But maybe this thing shoots up to test the high. That would be nice. But it looks extremely well here. Once the price gets back over the 618, if we see this thing move up and a new candle spawn in and we're just sitting over the 618 holding inside the pattern at 17.9, then you know this thing's about to go. That's the same thing it did back here. We were just sitting here and it went. But yeah, she could very well do a 4x out of here. A giant green candle spawning in. But yeah, I'm gonna hold my DGen until it moves. Pino, he says. Da Shinobi, welcome to the Horde. I appreciate that. We got another member. Andy's currently at a 292 million market cap. Yeah, okay, it is the boys club. $15 billion market cap. Yeah, I mean, if it's in the boys club and all these coins are expected to run to ridiculous prices, I don't see why it wouldn't 50x, I guess. But yeah, welcome to the Horde. At some point, we'll have to vote on that when we get too many members. I don't know if you guys want to keep it the Horde or you want to rename. We can always rename it to something else. Pinot. I don't know what Pinot is. This. Pinot Sol. Solana. Yeah, I miss my gambling days on Solana. Lost all that money, but it was fun, I guess. Man, I can't believe I lost 2 Solana gambling over there. Yeah, this it? Can't really do anything at all with this chart. Even if I go down, I guess we could. So it's over the 236, low to the high at 0098. As long as you're over that, you're bullish. And then the other simple thing we can do, let's see what it hit. We go from the high to the low for the next candle for the win. See if it tells us anything. Yeah, it seems to be respecting the levels here. So you're over the 1618 at 23. It looks bullish still right now. You have to break this wick high. If you double top with that, it could come right back down. So it needs to follow through here. And the next stop up, about 130%, I don't know, 140% move here. Well, if I can get this to stick. Yeah, about 140%. It's not exactly correct on there, but it doesn't look bad at the moment. The overall chart is just curled up here. That just tells me it's just ready to go. Pinot. Excuse me. But I don't know where this one's going to. You're at 3 pennies. Goes to $1. Be at 24, 25x, 94 there. Let's see. Someone I think said Maneki earlier. How do you spell Maneki? Could have swore we had a Maneki chart. I didn't know Maneki was on crypto.com. Yeah, gotta use better position here. But yeah, how's everyone doing out there? If I missed you coming in, I appreciate you being here. High to the low on Maneki. This is the correct Maneki, right? I would imagine it is. And you're sitting good over the 382 support at 007 here. With the whole chart, the curl up, it should hold. For the move down, and you should start moving back up. So as long as you hold 007, 009 is next for a 24% move, and then the 618 and so on and so forth. And it looks like once you break over the 786 here at a penny and a half, 17, that's the point where this thing's going to start flying. 128, 29% move, and then she's gone. Did you ask that again? Math or Blender? Math, we already went over that. I would personally pick math. UBX network, what is that? Oh, yeah, we looked at this one. Yeah, UBX network sitting over the 382 after the move down. So as long as you're holding 17.5, you're still technically bullish. And the price to beat is 2.2. But yeah, all these new coins I need to build charts for. So yeah, keep it simple. You're holding over the 382. Price to beat is 2.2 there. See, we don't have anything on this one either. But from the move down, for this thing to come back up, come back alive, and hit a new high, almost a 6x to 301. What's up, Nick the Traveler says PNG. No, we haven't looked at PNG, I don't think. But PNG, oh yeah, we did look at PNG. PNG's in a really good spot. If you missed it in here when we were talking about it forever, holding, people were freaking out every time it would start going back down, but it was holding support perfectly, getting stuck perfectly, and then once it broke 30, stuck at our next red box, high to the low, 618, and then 1618. So once you get over this red box, it's too late to buy in. So it came back down one last time for you guys to buy in. It back tested the channel 1414, and now it's time to go up. So yeah, if you missed out, it came back one last little time here before this thing breaks out. Once it breaks through this box, like I said, it's too late at that point. Jeez. What's up, Irita? Excuse me. Says ICP. ICP to 200 bucks. Yeah, I had to cough real quick. But yeah, ICP doesn't look bad here. Nice little dip on it, had the same structure, moved up, got stuck at resistance at the 236, pulled back with the rest of the market. So let's zoom it in here. Just a little correction to buy in. Low to the high. Perfect 382 retracement. That's always nice to see. Held over the 382 at 1069. And she's still bullish short term. And once you get over the 236, the bottom is in. And then where's this one going to? 618 retracement to 96 billion market cap to $205, 200 bucks, 16 and a half, 17x. I think a lot of people will take profit at 90 though, huh? ICP to 90 bucks, 42 million market cap is a 7.5x. That's not a bad move. Barrio broke out, did it? You making some money on Barrio? Oh yeah, she did. Yeah, doesn't look bad here. The whole chart. Now she's over the 1414. So where's this one headed to? Well, anyway, the next stop for resistance is the 1618 at 0069. So you should move up another 35% or so. Now that you're over that 1414, and then if you blow through 69, 200% move up to a penny and a half. Nice. She's headed to a 3x to a penny and a half there. Turbo getting listed on Coinbase. Yeah, it's not really doing anything at the moment. Moved down a little from the last time we looked at it. So we'll just pull these down. But it broke out of our bull flag pattern here, and came back down a little, and but she's just kind of holding. Next stop up, of course, is a 42% move to a penny and a half on Turbo here. Yeah, holding over the 236 at 9.3, so you're in a good spot. Over the 1272, the 236. Just a matter of time before it starts moving back up. And we'll finally get that $1 billion market cap. VeChain, what is VeChain doing? Same thing. Yeah, we're just looking at the same chart over and over again is what we're doing here. Nothing's changing. This one came up perfectly, hit the trend, got stuck, didn't even hit the 618, pulled back. 0.5 did not hold because the market had other plans. So the only thing we can do on VeChain here, which I do think VeChain is going to be a good play this cycle. It'll have a decent run. You're just below the 236 here at 5.6. So this will probably turn into a wick and you'll hold. If you hold that, it'll send you back over the 0.5 at 6, and then you'll try to push through the 618 and the trend there. But as long as you're over 4.6 and then 5.6, you're still bullish here. As soon as this correction is over, things will turn around. And then VeChain, new high 1272. From where you are now, that is a 11.5x to 46.5 billion, 64 cents. But maybe VeChain only comes up here and it makes a slightly higher high and hits about 30 cents. And then that'll line up with the old coins doing a 5 to 10x. You see that would be a 5.5x. Yeah, someone tell me how many people we got in here and how many likes do we have. I don't want to have to go log back into YouTube. I have the chat popped out here, but I have to go all the way back through the internet. A0. What is A0? Beast mode says A0 or Supermoon. T13 says A0. Why are you guys saying A0? Is there a meme Dieter than Dougal? I don't know what that means. SEI A0. I don't know what that Dougal. I don't know what you're trying to say there. A0 going to 0. A0. Mexi charts. Is this all the same thing? A0 and A left 0? That's futures. I thought we looked at this before because I believe I asked that before. A0, A left 0, that's got to be it. Trusty old Gate IO chart. $32 likes, 24 viewers. All right, thank you, my man. But I guess this is what you guys are talking about. High to the low. Yeah, it's crazy how you can pull this down to this new low that just occurred. And when you do that, you know, if you had the low back here, or you had it up here, You see how the levels are still respected? It's still getting stuck at the same level. And then you pull it down. 786. Once you get over the 786, this thing's going to go to the moon, whatever this is. It's sitting on the 236 right now at 47. So you're holding support after the dip. So if that was the bottom, which it is confirmed over the 236, so yeah, 382, 236 in the same spot. So you're short-term bullish, and the bottom is in over 47. Price to beat is 68. Once you get over 68, you're macro bullish. And then once you get over the 618, you're technically back into an uptrend, but you've done that many, many times over that same price level. So it looks to me, once you get over the 786, that's when this thing's going to be bullish to the moon. So it needs to move up 268, 270% here. Once you get over 185, she's gone, whatever this is. And then a new high on this thing, 12x up to the new 1272, 617. But it doesn't look, it's in a good spot. I mean, if it's going to go up. Yeah, not a lot of people in here today. I guess everyone's at work. Did we not look at this one? XSP. I thought we looked at this. X swap. Someone said X swap a while ago. I think it was it God? God first? I don't know. This chat is annoying just because it's small. Yeah, I don't know what I'm looking for here because I couldn't find. I don't see where you said that at, but I remembered it. Caspa we skipped over. Yeah, how is Caspa holding up with the market the way it is right now? What did we high, low? Got stuck at the 786. It was over it, but then the market had other plans, like we keep saying. Hasn't really moved from the last time I looked at it. You're sitting above the 618 at 15.8 here. Once this thing finally turns around and starts running, a 60% move to a potential new high at 25. Let me get this one off for a moment so we can see a little better. But yeah, Caspa doesn't look bad here. Still holding short-term structure and low to the high, sitting pretty on the 382. So 14.9 and then that 158. Looks good here. That stars in the background, I guess. And then Caspa, where's Caspa going? Oh yeah, let me pull that other one back up. I don't remember what these were based on. Yeah, what were these based on? Let's see. Well, I guess it has to be based on that, doesn't it? I don't know why they're just sitting out floating in the middle of nowhere. Oh, is that what it is? Caspa to $1.30, $7.40, 35 billion market cap. 8.5x. If Caspa's going to hit $2, 54 billion market cap. for a 13x, and then Caspa to $5, 125 billion market cap for a 30x. For those of you looking for a $5 Caspa, that would be a 30x from where you are today. Yeah, where's what's his name at? I need to ban someone. Uh, what's up, rep? God first says EGLD ACX what'd you say? ACLX. Yeah, it says there's no ACLX crypto. What am I looking for? You talking about a stock? EGLD Multiverse. Oh, that's the one that used to be Multiverse X, huh? Yeah, they got the little X symbol. Uh, Decent red candle spawned in on this one. Let's move that up. Let's zoom back out. It's back below the 236, so the bottom is not confirmed in at the moment. But I wouldn't worry too much. It'll probably go right back up. As soon as we turn things around here, get our life back together. High to the low, pretty much hit the 786 and got stuck. But if we go low to the high, we're probably holding right over the 382. Yeah, perfectly. Low, high, 382 held the wick there, 40, and you're starting to move up. So as long as you're over that, short term bullish, and then once you get back over 46 and a half, bottom is confirmed back in, and once you get over the 382 at 74, 75, you're back row bullish. Excuse me. Dang. But yeah, the fact that you got stuck twice here, once you get over that, you're good. And then where's this one going? With the market caps all over the place for some reason. 786 retracement on EGLD, 275, a 7.6 billion market cap, and about a 6x. 6.5x. Are we still live? Because my screen just glitched. Sunny Boy says TARS AI. Yeah, I'll look at TARS AI. I like TARS AI. This one to a new high, 36 billion market cap. If that's possible, would be a 30x pretty much to 1,300 bucks. Yeah, before I forget, TARS. Oh, this thing looks really good here. Man, I think I'm coughing so much because of the cold weather. Because I've always been told that I have asthma. My mom has asthma, so people say I have asthma. This one does not look bad at all. TARS AI, that's a good looking wick there. Sitting over the 1272 nicely at 40. TARS AI looks like it's about to start running again. So as long as you're over 40, next stop up is the 1414 at 47, a 16% move, and then the 1618 potential 45% move to 59.60 cents. So it has moved up since we looked at it last. Let's move that up. And where's this thing going to? Top of the fib, billion market cap, 1.3 billion, 1070 almost. And that's going to get you a 20, almost a 26x from where it is today. Not bad. And then a little over half a billion, 660 million, 540 would be a 13x. Yeah, TARS AI looks extremely good here. Holding up well. Gurk says, did you already look at ALEO? No, we did not. Janky says, bracing for another dunk. Able to free up a little cash for another flash sale. Nice. Alchemix, is that what you're asking for? Have we looked at that one before? We're not looking for ACH. Come on now. I don't think we've ever looked at this one, so we're gonna have to do the best we can. Alchemix, USDC, Coinbase. This is on Coinbase. US dollar. Yeah, we'll just do this one. Jeez. Not a bad looking chart. Down on the bottom. Same formation on the bottom. But yet another one that tried to confirm bottom in over the 236 at 25, but it's falling below. So once you get back over 25.81, $26, then that will confirm the bottom is back in here. And then if we go low to the high, we are still holding the right on the 236 here with that little wick forming, if you can see that. So about 23.48 here. It's holding low, high, 236 support. So if it holds there, that should send you back up over the 25, 26 level here, and even down to 20. So it could even drop down to 20 and still be considered bullish. And drop what, another 13%. But overall, doing like the rest of the market, officially bullish once you get over 46. And the down move is over the 618 at 118. Officially. But where's this one going to? I don't know what this is. 786 retracement in a bull market is a pretty much 10x to 232. 618 retracement, which is always possible in a bull market. That's a 5x to 118. No idea what this is, but if I owned it, I would probably sell it to 618. Moonshot would be the new high at 1600 for a 70x. Man, I can't stand this YouTube chat thing. Yeah, I can't even scroll this stuff up. What is happening here? ALEO. ALEO. Let me type that in real quick before I forget. ALEO on Coinbase. A lot of Coinbase coins on here. You're going all in on this one? I don't know what this is, but low market cap, I imagine, on Coinbase. High to the low. It seems to form. It seems to have that formation we've been watching a little bit here, right in there. Getting stuck right at the 236 on all of these candles, pretty much daily candles. So you need to get over it, which you're over it right now. 171, you're at 173. So if you can hold here, the big confirmation is going to be breaking this high back here. And once you break that, you should hold. And then bullish over 223. Then we go low to the high. Yeah, not bad. It's been holding over the 382 here. You see all these candles been holding 155. So you stayed bullish low to the high, and you're over the double 236. So as long as you're over 171, you're bullish, and the bottom is confirmed in. If you can hold here. And then the next move up on this one, like I said, if you know what this is more than me and you know it's going to move, 30% move to the 382 at 223. Breakout is over the 618. But this one to a new high, 6.5x to $11. Not bad. Adjust it just a little bit. Yeah, the chart doesn't look bad at all here. You can see you're clearly holding the trend here wherever you want to draw it. I don't really like the thickness and the color of this for some reason. But you get the idea. It's holding up good. Held the 382. Good looking chart. What more could you ask for? Oh, do I get to ban people finally? We got some you guys are bots coming in here. Take a look at Pinot. Didn't someone ask for Pinot earlier? I'm about to ban everyone. Yeah, I need to get into a foul mood, which I should be. I'm broke. Black Lotus said Pinot. Sunny Boy for 3. I appreciate that, my man. Thanks for looking. I appreciate you for the support there. Yeah, not a problem. All right, where's my people at? It's ban time. About to ban these fools. All-time high for Alchemix was 2K, not 500. Super low market cap. Circulating supply is 2 million. All right, thanks for the information, Rep. Yeah, a lot of times I have to go through all the charts and find the right ones that had the right all-time highs and stuff, because okay, you're not bots. Yeah, just don't spam the chat. I appreciate you guys coming in here. We looked at Pinot, didn't we? I don't remember what we said on it. Pinot on Solana. Yeah, doesn't look bad. Yeah, I'm glad you guys are bullish on Pinot, but there's no one here gonna pump the bags. Just another crypto, just another chart. But yeah, if you guys are in on Pinot, hopefully you guys make money. The overall chart is extremely bullish, so what else can you say? But why are we on all? I guess the market isn't doing anything today. We died and now we're just sitting here. Oh yeah, the ancient eight. Yeah, we were looking at this last night and it was pumping. Now it's dying. But yeah, ancient eight here. I mean, there's a lot of good coins. What is that? Oh, that's the Pinot we just looked at. Yeah, Pinot has a very bullish looking chart. But we look for things like this here. But yeah, whoever's in on Ancient 8 here, whoever bought this, didn't you guys tell me it was on Coinbase last night? Then hopefully you guys took profit. It is bullish over 32, over the top. Blender. Yeah, and what you said about this one here, the top not being 500, it's because we're looking at the Coinbase chart. Pretty sure this is when it was listed on Coinbase. Got listed and went to zero. But I'm going to go through maybe after the stream today, but all of these new coins that we put on here, everything from, everything we put on here, even the Pinot chart, Andy, Pinot, A8, Blender. I need to go build better charts and find the correct charts for them. That way we're not doing it on stream. If that makes sense. What's up, Hamid? I didn't ignore you. I didn't see you come in. You always say I ignore you. Let's see here. Alright, everyone in here coming in here for Pinot and everything, hit the like button for me. Man, I hate this chat. Jeez. Yeah, Hamid, what did you say? Because I can't find your... I can't look... This chat is just ridiculous. I can't find it. There's... RLUSD is approved. Can you check XRP, please? What is RLUSD? I'm not in the XRP loop. I don't know what that means. It's a foreign language to me. XRP. XRP is doing what the rest of the market's doing. She went to the moon for a minute and now she's just sitting here. And XRP can only go so high. So if we go from that recent little pullback to the high, 236 held perfectly at 191. And she's moving on up again. So looks good over 190, 191. And if it continues to run, there's really only a couple spots this thing can hit, in my opinion. $5, 280 billion market cap, another 115%. And then if you're lucky, $8 maybe. But you gotta check the market cap. XRP, the stablecoin for Ripple, is approved. Okay. What's up, Jat B? Says BCH, GRT. Yeah, it's a lot easier to see you guys' chat when you're a member, because you guys are highlighted. BCH, GRT. The graph. Yeah, the graph doesn't look bad. Monthly chart doesn't look bad at all. Weekly chart, same thing. Let's pull this over. You didn't die that much. You're holding up, pumped up over the 382, so over 24, you're bullish. High to the low on GRT. Just got above the 618 to confirm this short rundown is over, but the market had other plans. But you're holding over the double fib here, 0.5382, so keep it simple. As long as you're holding here, it's good. And then where's the graph going? The graph's going to be a good one. GRT to the moon is going to take you up. New high, 81 billion market cap, and about a 32x, 33x. 786 retracement to an 11.5 billion, 120, 4.5x. So guaranteed 4.5x on this thing, and probably up to a 10x. But yeah, GRT. What's the time? How long have we been on here? Because I don't have that. I don't have StreamYard. I don't have all the perks. All the perks of StreamYard are gone because I didn't have $50 to pay the subscription, which it's totally worth it because I can't see anything. Someone tell me how long we've been streaming for. Bitcoin Cash in the same boat. Got over the 618 just like GRT, but then that market had other plans. Came up, hit the 786 probably, pretty much. But short term, the overall chart looks extremely good here. Low to the high. It's trying to hold on to the 236 right now. 236,618. You're at 517, so about 524. It is already turning into a wick, so there's a good chance that if this was the down move on everything, the correction's over, then it'll get right back over these levels here. But overall, it does not look bad on Bitcoin Cash here. The next move up will make a higher high to complete the mission here, to complete the structure. So it'll probably come up here above the 786 and it'll pull back again, and then it'll continue that until it's going to go to the moon here. Which older coin like XRP, XLM, Dogecoin, all those others that had huge moves, at some point it's probably going to have a huge run. New high on this one, 3,600, 70 billion market cap, and 7x from today. So not bad for Bitcoin Cash, huh? An hour and 50 minutes, really 2 hours already. Thanks, Econ. Come on, button. Alright, so we're coming up on 2 hours. Alright, it went by pretty quick. Yeah, I don't like this at all because I can't even check the tab for super chats. How is that even a thing on YouTube? Celebrate your third super on a live stream. How do you do that? I don't know. Ton. Yeah, the first time I heard of Ton was a long time ago. I didn't know it was going to be such a big deal. This thing's been going up. This is like Pendle and some others. This thing's just been going up forever. But Ton doesn't look bad here. Nice little dip. Buy the dip. Formation, double bottom. It started to move. Still holding structure, as you can see here. A nice curve up. So the next stop up for Ton. Do I need to build a Ton chart? Yeah, I gotta build a better Ton chart. This is ridiculous. It's unacceptable. Yeah, low to the high, you're holding over the 236 at 508. You're over that previous high from all the way back here, double top, 548. So it doesn't look bad. Once this thing starts to move again, we go high to the low. Yeah, hit the 618786 pretty much. But it doesn't look bad. The overall chart, little dip down, buy in one last time, does not look bad at all. High to the low, pretty much came down, hit the 618 and that other level we went over. So it's time to go up. So the next potential stop is about a 70% move. If I get this to stick right, which is not gonna, up to about 947. Let's move this. Alright, like a 60, well, I can't get this to move right. About a 60% move, there we go. Next big leg up, but I'm gonna have to build a better Ton chart. But that's a nice looking wick on it. How do you move your fibs to the right on TradingView when the fibs scroll to the right? What do you mean? Let's see here. Let me go to a different chart. Polytrade. What is Polytrade? I must have looked at it because we have a chart for it. But when you pull the fib up, you You got to play with the settings, I guess. Because I do not remember how they looked when I didn't change all the settings. Yeah, you just got to go play with the settings. Go play around with the settings because I think these numbers used to be in the middle and then the numbers used to be on this side. I just prefer them over here, so that's why mine look like this. But yeah. Hmm. Yeah, you just got to play around with the settings because I don't remember what I did. I got a notification on Coinbase today that altcoins gain dominance over Bitcoin. Yeah, I think it's about time to start, huh? We were looking at this last night on the live stream. I don't know if you guys missed it or not. This thing started to fall, broke down, and then the reverse of the market, the dominance went up, wicked over, got stuck perfectly. So now it is time for the dominance after back testing to go down. And then that's when alt season starts. Like real alt season. But that's very bullish to see here. That is nice. Blender, you raise your targets, was at $4 with market cap currently at 20 million. Yeah, Blender's a new one that we just added, so I'm gonna have to fix the chart. I mean, you somehow move them to the right to fit the screen. Oh, you talking about when I do this? And then when I just click on it, I just push the over arrow, if that's what you're talking about, on my keyboard. Just push over. You can push up, down to move them up and down, if that's what you're talking about. But yeah, once you got it placed down and it's not locked, if it's locked, you can't do none of that. So unlock it, click on it, and then just push the arrow key. That way you got to keep redrawing. You can just pull it over to where you're looking at, if that's what you mean. Let's see here. Yeah, I don't like this chat. What's up, Eldor? He says 60 minutes video was hating on crypto. What you talking about? You talking about 60 minutes the show? If that's even a thing anymore? Got STX and ABT on a discount. Nice. Are we still alive? The chat just went away. Alright, you're back now. TIA says Irina. Irina's looking for freebies. TIA. Why? Come on. I'm on the wrong thing because I knew I had a chart for it. Yeah, it's down below the 382, but it's already moving back up. Still holding market structure. You're still over the 236. Low to the high. Yeah, you're sitting pretty on the 382. So low high, you're still bullish. Wick down to the .5, almost to the 236, but it's holding up. So it's still bullish. Simply buy the dip is all that was. And then once you get back over 725, you're back to being bullish. And then at some point to the moon. 13.7 billion market cap, new high 1272 at $34. A 5x on this one. But yeah, overall structure doesn't look bad. We can move that because that's just not going to come into play. But yeah, I mean, the overall macro chart, when you see this and we're almost in a bull market, alt season, if it's going to go up, it's going to go up. That's what you meant. Okay, all right. I'm glad I answered your question, Jat B. XRP's 60-minute video was a hit job on crypto by the media. Yeah, I believe it. Let's see here. Anything we didn't look at? We covered everything a lot. Yeah, that looks so good with the dominance getting stuck there. Let me... All right, let me go. Let me mute this for a minute. You guys hang around. I'll be back. I gotta go get a drink. Go to the little boys' room. I will be back in about 5 minutes. I don't even know what time it is. Where did our screen go? All right, I'll be right back. All right, we're still here, huh? SPL says Litecoin. Do I need to make another poll? Poll. Make another poll so I can ban someone. Let me open up YouTube real quick. If you're here and you have not hit the like button, please do so. It says Elon Musk conducts poll on deleting the IRS. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Is that true, what I heard? They say Trump's gonna take away the taxes on crypto. Imagine not having to pay taxes on crypto. Yeah, I'm trying to get over to the live stream. Oh, we only got 14 people in here. Where'd everyone go? It's after 5. Yeah, I couldn't believe the live stream from last night where we got faked out and duped. There's over 700, I think it's almost 800 views on that one. That's a lot for a live stream. They're all sitting at like 4 or 500, some 600. Your name, Commune. Yeah, we already went over Pinot. The Pinot gang already came in and left. We're not doing Pinot again. $62 votes. All right. I'm gonna have to leave it here though. The moment I take it off, someone will come in here and put a super chat up for some deck screener coins, and then I'll tell them nope. What's up, DZ? DGen update. All right, Litecoin and DGen. Let me pop the chat back out. I was gonna go on here and make a poll because I'm ready to ban someone. Alright, let me pull that down. Let's take that back. DGen and Litecoin. Yeah, nothing to see here on Litecoin. Doesn't look bad. Everything in the market looks exactly the same right now, pretty much. Unless you're holding something else, unless you're holding some kind of scam coin that's pumping. Like some of those Solana and base coins, some are still moving. Hello, hi, you're over the 382, already forming a wick. So as long as you're over the double 382 here at 98, you're good to go. Once you get back over the 236, you're even more good to go at that point. But simple buy the dip situation here. You're over the macro 382. Once you get back over the 0.5 at 129, she'll start moving back up. But yeah, Litecoin here has done nothing. I mean, it's done nothing. It's gonna have a run like all the others, like XRP, XLM, HBAR. At some point, you're gonna have these giant green candles spawning in here, just like we see on those charts. Giant green candle up to the 786 will probably be the first one. 18.6 billion market cap to 250, 120% move, and then at some point this cycle, This thing will be all the way up here, topping out at the 1272 at about 780. Maybe it hits 800 bucks, a 58 billion market cap, and a 7x on Litecoin. But yeah, I'm still holding my DGen bag, my little small tiny bag. It's worth about $65 right now. It was at about 113 when we were up here. And it just died. So I'm going to hold my bag because we look bullish again, even after the dip here. Yet again, just another bull flag. The last bull flag we called, we pumped. So we're calling it again. Get ready. DGen dipped down so good here. It's in a bull flag pattern. She's about to run. And then if we pull this up to the previous pattern and look at the support, we're sitting right on the 0.5 at 14, and you can see the double 618 and the 382 here. So once we're back over this 17 or 18 level and we're holding here, that's going to tell you she's about to run once we get back over that. So if this turns into a giant wick and we hold, that's extremely bullish in this pattern. And then DGen, potential first target would be 100% move, so a 2x out of here to 3. But I'm looking for this thing to test the high. So maybe we get a 4x out of this new bull flag pattern here. That would be good. That would help me a lot. 4x on my little bag right now. Then I would take that and roll that over into something else. Get another 2x. But yeah, where's DGen going? 50 cents, 9 billion market cap, 33x, 34x. Could be. Is my mic low for real? Yeah, the correction. What's up, Aaron? Sorting itself out. I just had it muted and I turned it back on. Maybe I'm talking low. I may be talking low because there's people in other rooms here. Very thin walls. But the mic's all the way up. You guys just get off work that are coming in here after 5. I don't know, maybe, like I said a while ago, maybe it's the longer streams, because last night we did over a 4-hour stream. Maybe people want to watch the 4-hour streams. That's why it's got so many views now. Maybe I just got to stream for 4 hours plus every time. Try to stay on as long as I can. Like I said last night, trying to meet the quota. And why is this highlighting everything? Yeah, I need DGen to pump so I can at least get back on StreamYard. Man, I do not like this not streaming on StreamYard. Some people calling for AIs to hit $10 to $20. Yeah, someone let me know. Is my mic okay? Was I talking too low? He says $10 to $20 on AIs. Yeah, our target is a 7x. Well, not a 7x, but a 9.3 billion market cap. 1414 at 830, so almost $9. It's close to 10, I guess. 7.5x. Next stop would be the 1618 at 21. Be a 19x. If this thing stays up, it gets over the previous top here and holds up, and it's wherever it's going to be, the full-fledged bull market hasn't even kicked in yet. And from us covering AIs on the channel, people like it, people watch the videos, so I don't see why this thing wouldn't just have some giant bull run candle spawn in. So yeah, why wouldn't it not hit 20 bucks, I guess. I can see it happening. But you guys that were around for the last bull run, you guys know what I'm talking about. Just everything seems to just be going vertical. These giant candles just spawning in everywhere, week after week. And then it's all over. There'll be 2 or 3 giant candles spawning in. AIs will be at 20 bucks. Everybody and their mother will be asking, what is AIs? Did you see where it went? Did you see Bitcoin, Dogecoin? Oh, Dogecoin's at $3. And then the whole world's going to pile in on AIs here at 20. And that's it. Or wherever it's going to be. This is just an example. People can't help but FOMO to the green candles. I guarantee I'll have people that I know. Hey, did you hear crypto's going up right now? I thought it was a scam. Yeah, that's what someone said. They signed up with NVIDIA. Yeah, hopefully we got more than 14 people in here. I need to just keep the tab open. But all you guys coming in now, hit the like button, smash the little heart buttons. Let's push this out. But we've looked at a whole bunch already. Let's see. Trying to see who's live on YouTube. Who's still in the thunder. Oh, come on. Oh man, we still only got 14 people in here. Two hours in, 15 people watching. Yeah, there's no one here. When we're bullish, we'll get up to 50 and 70 sometimes. But yeah, I guess we'll just leave it there. We'll do this again tomorrow on OBS, I guess. No, we forgot SEI. I don't know why I just pulled that up, but we got it. Songbird. Yeah, SEI doesn't look bad here. We can get rid of this. Rest of the market doing the same exact thing. Dip down. Overall, you're still holding the very bullish market structure here. Didn't quite hit the 0.5. Correction seems to be like it's over. Oh yeah, low, high, 236 held support, perfect. You're holding over 54 here. So low to the high, you're bullish over that. And that should get you back over 59 here very soon. But yeah, it looks good on SEI. And of course, the overall chart, just looking at it, it's coiled up here. Some point it is going to start running. And then everyone will start talking about it. No one cares about SEI right now, it seems like. 6x to the 1618 at 337. Not bad. 11.8 billion market cap, almost to 12 billion. 36 billion market cap to 10. I can't remember, where's our target on this one? SEI to $19-20, 67 billion market cap. Is that what we think? About a 34.5, 35x. I'm trying to remember. I think $10 was the realistic target on this one. A 36 billion market cap. $10 SEI. Let me see. Let me pull up the. Let me see what the coins in circulation are right now. And the market cap, of course. We cover so much, it's hard to keep up with. Some I remember, and some I don't. And some I do research on to try to get better targets and see what other people are saying, but it takes time. But a lot of times when I go look up another video or something, a lot of times the targets are ridiculous or they kind of line up with what we have on our targets. Because a lot of people like round numbers. All right, a 2.2 billion market cap at the moment. $2.2 billion. So it's easily going to reach this. So if you need a good 6x, then at 330, 340 price level. And if SEI is going to be something big, then yeah, I would say $10, 36 billion maybe. But it says it hasn't done anything. Hasn't done anything yet, but very good looking chart here. This thing's curled up. Holding structure nicely, so at some point it's going to just rocket out of here. But yeah, if I had it, I'd get out here. If I got a 6x and I had a good chunk in here, I would deal with a 6x. But I'm poor, so. What's up, Christopher? No, we didn't do Velodrome yet. We did Velo. Santu, did you look at Degen already? Only about 10 times, my man. But Velo looks good. Velo's been in a good spot forever. Simple pullback with the rest of the market. If we go low to the high off of that very good looking formation, you're sitting right on the 236 here for support at 13. So if it looks good, you're bullish. Low to the high, bullish over the 236. It looks very strong, you know, with what happened in the market recently. So if you hold 13, 16 is the price to beat here. And then once you get over the 786, we'll see where this thing goes. But another one, you know, the thing's curled up here. Higher highs and higher lows. It looks like it's ready to just go. Ready to go vertical. Some giant green candles spawning in at some point. Held the macro uptrend. So Velodrome, where's this thing going? 3.4 billion market cap to $4 is the 29x. And if you want a 7x from today, 833 million, a dollar. So yeah, you'll probably have a lot of sellers at a dollar here. Maybe. But we keep revisiting DGen. I'm holding DGen still, my little small tiny bag of DGen. But it is now, after the little crash, just yet again in a very bullish bull flag pattern here. You can see this. Last time we looked at it, we called it, it went. This time we're calling it again. We're bullish on DGen. And if we go low to the high, she is sitting pretty on the 0.5 retracement at about 14.8. And once you get back over the 382 and the 618, you're back to being bullish. And if this ends up turning into a wick and holding over the 618, that's very bullish. And then it's going to take off. And then we're looking for about a 4x to come test the high out of the pattern, or a 2x up to 3 to the 786 retracement for just a little small pump out of here. But if it does that, then that will make me very happy. At least short term happy. Recon, hi, can you look at based AI? What is that? Did we look at that already? Just don't forget, you guys, read the poll. I don't have StreamYard at the moment because I didn't have 50 bucks to pay the subscription, so we cannot do deck screener coins. What is the ticker for based AI? Based Labs? Based AI, hold on, we have a chart. It just didn't pop up right. Oh, we haven't looked at this in a while. I guess that's correct. I haven't looked at it since down there. But not a bad looking chart. It's curled up here. I don't know if this was the based AI, so we're just going to take that off. So based AI, from where you are right now, you just hit the 618 perfectly. You're holding, you're making higher highs, higher lows. Stuck at the 786 just like you did back here. So as long as you hold 552, 778 is the price to beat. And then if we go low to the high, yeah, you're holding over the 236 at 582. So it's bullish that way. It looks good over the 618. It's curled up. So once you break over the 786 here, the next potential big stop is the new high at the 1272. Apparently a billion market cap and almost $21. 250% move, so a 3x, 3.5x. And it'll probably go higher than that because that's not a very large move, and it of course has people buying it. It ran all the way up. So what is the target on based AI? 42 bucks, 43 bucks for a 7x. I have 2x on vet. Should I hold? Haven't heard much about the project as of late. V-chain. I can't tell you what to do, but depends on how much money you got. But I think we looked at V-chain earlier. Not looking bad right now. Well, I mean, it's coming down, but it's an old coin. It's going to go up at some point. No one talks about it because it's not going to the moon. They're only going to talk about it and care about it when there's green candles spawning into the moon. But I'm a poor man, so I can't answer that. If I got a 2x on something, depending on how much money I had in there, I'm just going to get out, go into something else that looks bullish or I think it's going to move. I'm just going to swap, rotate, whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to rotate my way up. So when Degen pumps and does a 3x, 4x, I'll put that money into something else that hasn't moved, and then we'll just keep on going. Oh, you'd rather just put it on something else. Yeah, I understand. Do what you got to do. But yeah, we look at so many good projects and so many good spots and so many things bullish right now. Even with this little correction we're having, there's so many opportunities out there. I mean, if I felt like it, there's probably 10 different coins right now that I would put $1,000 on, just because I think they're about to go up. Just from looking at the bullish charts. One I can think of off the bat is what is it? FET. FET looks really good. FET's about to start running. Why can't I get this one to pop up? I know we have a chart for it. Ape. Ondo. I forgot about Ondo. What happened to our chart? Well, that's unfortunate. I know we had a chart for this thing. Is it API 3 or AP 13? And that's unfortunate. Alright, we'll quickly look at it. I know we didn't have a chart for it, so it'll be down on the list with the rest of the stuff that I gotta make charts for. That's just not that. That's not right. Yeah, this one doesn't look bad either. It's still curled up here. Did not break structure. It looks good. From the high to the low. Yeah, it just got above the 382, but then the market had other plans. So once you get back over 221, you're in a good spot. And we go low to the high. Oh yeah, this one was in a real good spot. That's nice. Low, high formation that we watched on everything. 786 final support level. And then now she curled up. Nice little pullback so we can get in. And now she's going to go. But yeah, just keep it that simple. It looks like you're about to get right back above the 0.5 at about 206. But once you get back over 221, you're in good shape. And then the price to beat, if it's going to continue to structure here, higher high would be above the 0.5 at 296, $3. So off of this correction, it may move up to $3 now. And like I said, I'll have to build a chart for this one. But new high on this, 10x to $20. Yeah. Oh, we got 20 people in here now. Darren says thanks. Oh yeah, you said 1K. Rather have something else. Yeah, like I said, there's a lot of coins. I mean, DGen for one. DGen's looking very bullish now after the dip. DGen, FET. FET's a big one, and FET has a very bullish structure going on right now. Thanks for looking. Sent money on Cash App. Oh, I appreciate that, my man. Can't figure out the other way. Well, that's the best way. That way YouTube doesn't take 30% of it. I appreciate that, my man. I'll have to go check that in a little bit. I can't check it now because my phone doesn't. In this house, there's no service. I have to go out by the road just to get one bar. And for some reason, my phone's messed up. It doesn't. The Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth won't stay on. They just gray out and stay off. So I can't connect to the Wi-Fi here. It's unfortunate. Het says FET doesn't have a pennant pattern. How do you figure about to go up? What's up, Jack? You were in here earlier. I think you said something, but I probably skipped over it. QNT and FET. Alright, let me do QNT and then I'll rant about FET. You don't always have to have a continuation pattern. Oh yeah, QNT does not look bad here. On the macro chart, where once I zoomed out, I figured the bottom was in. Right now, you're getting stuck right at the 0.5 on the macro monthly candle, so we need to get back over 140, or else you will pull back off of this correction. But if we zoom back in a little bit, the weekly candle here is trying to hold the 0.5 at 140. So if this gets back over 140 on the weekly, you're in good shape. See the 382 or the 3-day candle is already holding, so it remains to be seen. You can see the daily candles below, but these other candles are trying to hold. So it depends on where you look at it, but if you do not hold, let's see here. Yeah, the 236 here at 128 pretty much wicked down to it already. So if it does not hold, which it does look good with that wick there on the weekly candle, 6.5% drop, and then that would send you down 23% to the double 382, and you would still be macro bullish and short-term bullish over 104. So if that does happen, it's just an opportunity to buy more quant at 100 before it goes back up. I don't think it's going to fall back below 100. The state of the market we're in, I don't see quant falling back below 100. There's no way. That's why we were screaming down here. The bottom is in. We just had to look at the monthly. FET to the moon. Let's see here. Oh man, the monthly. But yeah, FET looks extremely good here. Low, high, you're holding the 236 off of the little crash correction we had at 168. You're holding up. So you are bullish. You're holding structure. You're holding the structure here. That looks extremely bullish. And on top of that, you have this double bottom with the higher low right off support. And you're bullish on support again here. So this thing's about to do this. That's exactly what's about to happen on FET. Unless the market crashes again and we break structure. Until we break structure, there's no bearishness on this thing right now. The overall chart, higher highs, higher lows, holding the trend, holding structure, holding that 236 support. Yeah, just like DGen right now. They're gearing up for 4X's, 330% move. Next stop up for FET is $7, 17.6 billion market cap. Hopefully in one giant green candle. Does it have to? No, but kind of the same thing you did back here. And then it just started going. But this is what I want to see. Almost straight up. But yeah, that's the reason I like FET there. You said what part of Texas? Right now I'm in North Texas. Freezing cold out in the middle of nowhere in North Texas. What's up, Roberto? Brandon says, you think we dip again? Doesn't look like it. It looks like the correction is over, in my opinion. I don't know, what do you guys in the chat think? You think the dip is over? What's the protection for FET? What you mean by that? Or you mean the prediction? One of these three targets here. FET to $26. I really don't know where FET's gonna go. That's a 15.5x, 67.5 billion market cap. But this thing's been going up for a while. Since what? November of 2022. Very bullish overall chart, just all together. What is that, 2021? See, this thing just grinded up, and then the bull market would blow off top, one little wick. But now that it's combined with the other two AI coins, who's to say what's going to happen? What's up, Flip Coins? What's up, Charles? Welcome back for 5. Oh, dang, I tried to put you on the screen. We're not on StreamYard, so we're on OBS. I almost banned you. For sending me 5. Jeez. I almost pushed the wrong button. He says for 5. I appreciate that. AXGT, AMP, and DNT. AXGT, what is this one? What is happening here? Oh, that's right. That's if it comes back down to the trend. Let's move this junk off of the screen. Wrong one. Alright, let's speed this through because I do have to go make some phone calls. Double topped. She's going to zero. That's it. But higher highs, it just made a higher low. So we will see what happens here. Had a strong run out of the pattern. You just lost the 618 support, coming down to about 28. You're below the 236, so yeah, it does appear it's coming down. So the fact that it double topped here, that's not the best, of course. So if it comes down to the 0.5 here, drops under the 12%, if you lose 28.9, 29 there, and you break that wick low, then if you come all the way down to the 382, then that's a 35% drop. So if it does come down, you must hold about 29 here. I know that it looks tiny too, but if we go low inside the pattern to the high, you're sitting right on the 382 at 31. So if you hold 31, you're good. You get back over pretty much 39, then you're safe. Then you'll start moving back up here. You said DNT and something else, but this one, 1618 retracement to 480, a 14x to an $873 million market cap. AMP, yeah, I think we looked at AMP the other day. Did they change their ticker symbol? AMP on the weekly looks like the rest of the market. Off of the bottom structure formation, pumped above the 3.2, got stuck at the 0.5, and made a lower high. So we're pulling back. Let me see here. So simple macro over 7.8, you are bullish. Price to beat is 13.2. If we go low to the high here, we're below the 236. So what we're going to do is simply go from the low off of that bullish formation to this high. Yeah, we have a double 382 here. So as long as you're below 1, then that puts in play 0078. So it does appear this thing's still going to drop 16%, so just keep that in mind. And then AMP to the 786 retracement, a billion, pretty much a 2 billion market cap to 4.7, 4.5 pennies is a 5x. AMP is an older coin, so maybe a 5 to 10x on this thing. I don't know who's buying AMP, but 5x to there. But if that's going to be more than that, maybe this thing comes up and hits about 15 cents and you get a 15, 16x. But the technical new high 1272 of 41 would be a 33 billion market cap and a 45x. I don't know if that's possible. DNT. DNT not looking too bad, holding the 382 after the crash. Yeah, not looking too bad on this one. Bottom formation, pump, everything did the same exact thing. I'm starting to get tired of repeating myself. But you're holding the 382 at 5.4, so she looks good. So I'd keep it that simple. It's starting to form a wick, so as long as your 5.4 is holding, next big target up is the 0.5 at 8.3, 52% move, and then onwards and upwards from there. And then where's this one going? District OX, $1.3 billion market cap, new high on this one, 137. excuse me, 24.5x. Flipcoin says turbo. Jose says PNG. Yeah, we looked at PNG, I think 2 or 3 or 4 times. PNG's in a very good spot. Turbo PNG. But yeah, we're about to end this, so I have to go make some phone calls. Got to call the kids. Got to go walk out into the street to do so because I have no signal. But yeah, we looked at PNG. We looked at Turbo. PNG's in the best spot you could ever want it right now, because we've been talking about it forever. If you did not buy in here where we were screaming, it's in a bullish pattern. It looks extremely well. All of these weekly candles holding. Once you break over 30, she's going to start moving. She did. She got stuck. So once you get over this red box, she's going to the moon. But we got this crash, this correction. She's back down. Came almost back to back test and hit 30 again, but you couldn't ask for anything more. You know, if you didn't get in yet or you didn't add, back one last time to give you a chance to get in at 30, because it's going to start moving up from here. Once you break over the red box over 4.8, it's too late. But yeah, PNG looks very good here. Nice little tight spot to be in. Turbo is supposed to get listed on Coinbase tomorrow, from what I hear. Yeah, Turbo's just sitting here. Hasn't really moved from the last time we looked at it. Still overall good looking bullish chart. Another 40% move from where you are right now to hit that 1.5 billion market cap here, or the billion market cap to a penny and a half. That's the 1.5. But we drew this earlier. We were sitting on support, I believe. Yeah, depending on what time frame you're on, we're on the weekly. You can see we're above the 236 at 9.3, so we're bullish. And if we want to pull this all the way up to this pullback, and go down to a smaller time frame, sitting pretty much right in between the 236, 382. So as long as you're over a penny on Turbo, you're good. You are good and short-term bullish over 1 penny on Turbo. Ondo is going to be a really good play. Ondo looks extremely good. Look at that. That's a very good looking 3-day candle, weekly candle. Oh yeah, Ondo's bullish right now. And yeah, they do have coins coming out, a bunch of them in January. Wherever the price is at that point, it will have a little correction, a little pullback. But it's, in the overall grand scheme of things for Ondo, it's not going to matter. Ondo's going to the moon. But right now, she looks extremely well. Nice. As long as you're above this previous high here, the next stop is getting over $2. Once you get over $2, 230's next. But she's starting to move right now. Up 17% on the week when we had a crash. But yeah, Ondo, I think Ondo's going from 17 to 20 bucks. So in my opinion, the conservative target is 17. Well, no, I guess you could say the conservative target is going to be $13. 18 billion market cap, almost a 19 billion, 7.5x, but I like 17 to 20 bucks, so 25 billion market cap for a 10x, and then almost a 12x to a 29, 30 billion market cap to 20 bucks. And then the moonshot would be about 25 bucks. So if you get Ondo to 25 bucks, then congratulations. I'm talking about for this cycle. In the future, it'll probably go higher. But pretty much a 15x. But it may go higher than that. Those may be conservative prices. What's up, Veronica? Thanks for all you do. I appreciate that. Alright, last one, AOS. We've already looked at AOS. AOS prediction. Yeah, we just went over this earlier. Didn't we say 10 bucks? No, someone said 20 bucks. Yeah, we went over ALs a couple times. But I appreciate everyone being in here. So say what you got to say now. There's no end screen. I am not on StreamYard, so it's just going to end. We're just going to hit the button. It's going to just end. So be prepared for that. As soon as I get the money, I'll be back on StreamYard, but I just don't have the $50 to pay the subscription right now. Because this OBS streaming is not ideal. It's very annoying. Yeah, we went over this earlier. Someone was saying, can it get to 20 bucks? Yeah. Conservative, 830, 9 billion market cap. Super conservative, 4, almost a 5 billion market cap. But if it's still hanging around up here when we go vertical, when the market just turns bullish, when they flip the switch and we just all go up, AOS does good on the channel and the video, so there's people out there caring about it, buying it, wanting it. So why not? Why is it not going to have a giant candle, couple candles spawn in? $20, 19x from today. Why not? But yeah, I appreciate you guys being in here. All you guys that are lagging behind and didn't hear me say I'm going to end the live stream when it all of a sudden ends on you, I apologize. But yeah, I appreciate all you guys being in here. Appreciate the couple of super chats that came in. I appreciate the Cash App that someone sent. Yeah. Yeah, that guy came back in here, said, did the money go through? I don't know if you guys were here last night or not, but some young millionaire came in here, said he was going to send me 5K to my Bitcoin wallet, and nothing ever came through all last night, all today, and then he popped his head in here and said, did the money go through? That's just... I don't even know what to say to that. Bannable offense, I guess. Alright, so we'll leave it at that. I'm trying to figure out how to end this. Where's the end button? Oh no. Ista for 2 says DJN really took it in the pooper. Yeah, do you want me to look at DJN? Because we've looked at it 20 times already. DGen Hopium to end the stream here. DGen is in a real good spot. After the correction, all it did was help form the, once again, bull flag pattern that we know we called last time, and it just went. So we're looking for the same exact move here. It's sitting on a 0.5 support low to the high. So it's holding up strongly. Yet again, just formed another pattern. Once you get back over the 618 at 17, that's when you know she's going to spike up. And she's either going to do 2x, to 3, or we're looking for this. We're going to leave this here. Overnight, one giant candle is going to spawn in, and we're going to get a 4x out of DGen. 4x my bag. Yeah, GE says that dude is a clown. Should have banned him. Yeah, we'll see what happens. I probably will. Because that's just like someone said last night, that's a douche move. Alright, so we're going to end it there. I appreciate you guys coming in. Okay, my computer was glitched out. Appreciate all the support, the super chats, everything you guys bring to the table. And hopefully